you want a barcode. Suppose we have Excel and we have barcode. Here you just type in the formula for image and the barcode API provider and D2 for linking this cell and close the parenthesis, hit enter. You are done. Now that is just easy as that. So this was for barcode when it was a number. What happens when you have an website? For example, for my if you have a website web link, how could you do so? Just the same formula, image and the link to the barcode, and just link it D2 here for linking up here, and just close the parenthesis. Boom.